Yeah, yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. In the heart of the motherland, we stand up tall. Across the savannah, we answer the call. With a brand new vision, see it crystal clear. With willing hands and hearts that know no fear. From the city street to the village ground, a righteous vibration is the only sound. We build and we give in a cycle so divine, to make a brighter future. Now is the time. Our children laugh, their voices sing so bright. With health and with books, they chase the morning light. Fed and so strong, they learn from every day. The power of hope, it guides them on their way. Hey. We pay it forward, one by one we rise. The pledge of the 10, a hope that fills the skies. For everyone who stands, another 9 we live. This conscious contribution is a sacred gift. With every seed of knowledge that we sow, in every family's heart, a true light starts to grow. We see the ripple moving on the water wide, with love as the current and Jah as the guide. Our children laugh, their voices sing so bright. With health and with books, they chase the morning light. Fed and so strong, they learn from every day. The power of hope, it guides them on their way. Yeah, they are the old watch. They see the work we've done, a legacy of kindness beneath the setting sun. They